Alright guys, this is the mini aircon fan. If you will see, it has a 18.4 thermostat. Reading means it's very cold. So if you look for this, how the mechanism cool the air, there is a cooler at the back. That's it. Alright, there is a cooler and it's already moist, right? And the cooler attached to the reading. Alright, and it is operated by 12 volts for the air conditioning unit device, and for the fan it is 4.5 volts, and for the thermostat reader it is 12 volts also. So it has a water dispenser, and there is already heavy water for the moist. Alright, and I have a good thing for this, it is operated also and cooled by water. And this is the converter for 12 volts to operate the device. Alright, and if you would like to more about it, or have this kind of unit or device, you may inform me. Okay, have a good day guys. Bye bye.